In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious sausage and yogurt cake recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound ground meat, 1 small onion, 3 eggs, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 cup of cheese, 2 cups of flour, 3 garlic cloves shredded, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a cup of oil, and cherry tomatoes sliced in half. In a pan over heat, we're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we're going to add in our onions. Add in the garlic and saute for a couple of seconds, making sure not to burn it. Now we're going to add in our meat and cook thoroughly. Season with half the salt, pepper, and the paprika. Now our meat filling is complete and we're going to place it in a bowl and set it aside for later. In a bowl, we're going to beat together the eggs. To the eggs, we're going to add in our yogurt and continue beating. Once smooth, we're going to add in our remaining salt, oil, now we're going to slowly add in the flour and the baking powder and mix until smooth. In a cake pan lined with parchment paper, we're going to add in half of our batter. On top of our batter, we're going to add the meat that we made earlier. We're also going to sprinkle this with some cheese. We're now going to pour the remaining half of our batter over top and spread it out until it's smooth. Now we're going to decorate the top of our cake with cherry tomatoes. We're going to bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Our sausage and yogurt cake is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.